World Bus in Trinidad.
Pool party. Me that no scare we. Big up yourself, baby. Remember, if it's a snap, Trinidad can't flap. And big up the whole Trini family. How are this side of my nose? I'm out.
I go on my people, bless up on yourself, and man, I hope on the continue to stay blessed and keep safe, you see, pray. Well, as you can see from the title and the intro, we have Vybz Kartel arriving in Trinidad, you see me, alongside Gaza Tigo, which is mad, so you see me. Out of that alone, we also have a youth to reach out to Vybz Kartel and make him know, say, you would have love for mate him, you see it, and I would have love for the video even reach Vybz Kartel also. We even have Popcaan a ramp with nature on him villa, you see me? And we have a little cat here defend Vybz Kartel, you know. I don't know the people, they must say Vybz Kartel a show up himself too much, you see me? So most people now go bother want to come to Freedom Street because them done a see him already, you see me? But before we jump in all of that, we will just view Vybz Kartel arrival though. I'm out.
World Bus in Trinidad.
Pool party. If I even the beach, me have to read. And big up the whole Trini family. How are this side of my nose? I'm out. Oh, a war. Yeah, no problem. Big up yourself, baby. Remember, if it's a snap, Trinidad can't flap. I'm there with a beautiful lady. You know she's my baby. And if not baby, I'm out.
Hey, Kartel. Big fan, big fan. Sit down.
I met a girl from Trinidad. She from Laventille area.
Now there with the boobin I reach out to Vybz Kartel, you see my people.
We sleeping right now and all over my TikTok for you page. Just Kartel reaching Trinidad. What? I just hope Kartel see this video and I get to meet him while he in Trinidad so I could get a picture or a video with him. Like, come on though, like fever.
Our conversation seems to be Vybz Kartel being booked in the heat of Trinidad and Tobago's Carnival for a mega concert being hosted on what was traditionally Fantastic Friday. Everybody is weighing in on this topic. Of course, it is a private promotional entity that is hosting this event, and it's no different from years gone by when promoters like Roy Mirage would have hosted licensing fairs and other fairs, bringing in artists pretty much like Vybz Kartel, Beanie Man, and others. Of course, Kartel's name is huge right now, having spent 14 years behind bars, 13 or 14 years behind bars. This conversation is one that I'd like you guys to weigh in on. Let me know how you feel about the inclusion of Vybz Kartel on the Carnival calendar. How many of you do not care? You're coming to Trinidad for Carnival and you are definitely going to be attending this festival that is being showcased.
I don't feel most people care, you see me? I just one and two people, you see, pray. I don't feel Kartel have nothing to do with Carnival and him not go fuck up Carnival, you see me? Actually, he would have bring more vibes to Carnival, you see, pray. Yeah man, so I don't know what them people they are deal with over there, you see me? A Vybz Kartel come for vibes up the place, you see it. So now we're there with Popcaan and him villa fuck around nature, my people, you see me? Cause from there road on the north, so the wind blow heavy, you see me? So the G basically go up on the front there, so I watch a wave, you see it? I say, if the wave could have slapped him, you see it? Him say a wave war, you see, pray. Yeah, man. So I could see where I'm going with now. But you see that people who have nearly slapped down Popcaan, don't know how Popcaan deal with that. So anyway, we're gonna move on with people. Now we're there with Muma different vibes cartel. You see me, I make the people them know say yo, no matter how much time the people them say vibes cartel. You see me, no matter how much time the G want go clubbing. You see the people them still like a turn up a Freedom Street. You see pray. Yeah man. And then she went out and said she had make a ticket. Should I easy that? So please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe and tell a friend and a friend and a friend, and don't just subscribe, click the bell also to get notified whenever I upload a new video. You see pray, I'm out.
One world boss.
Combo Kartel, not gonna say everybody, but enough people are Combo Kartel, and I come talk about how much he might come out himself, because why them gonna pay much money for see him a Freedom Street, and them can pay $2,000 or $3,000 and make her 15 bids are going free and see him and make her. Enough I will still not see him. Like myself, y'all. I really want to see him, but me not really go make on him soon. But I could have seen him 100 times. I never see that man perform yet in my life. I never see that man yet in my life. And enough people are see him. I could have seen him 100 times still I go. And it's a ticket me a defense still, no, me a defend a ticket. Because I'm not buying a ticket yet, no, my father. And we don't pay how much money, when I see the artist how much time. Every time when them birthday come, them have something. Either them they make them they taboo down the run go. If them keep them birthday party down the run go, so no blood clock come, but man and them come on more than him. Them nobody. Them and nobody. When people see them walk past them like them no dead. Nobody not see Kartel and walk past him. Only somebody see Kartel and walk past him, but somebody really don't like him. And all of them don't like him, them still a look. We are see the other artists that walk past him like them the day. So the combo my artists. No combo Kartel straight, no time, no day, no oh.